Hey, Brian Manning here. Just want to give you a little bit of information of what's happening in the marketplace right now and talk a little bit about just mortgage stuff. So, first of all, interest rates right now are at a 9 month low without boring you with all the economic details. I can just tell you it's really nice to see rates come down a little bit, increases affordability for a first time home buyer or really any home buyer. It's certainly wonderful to see, especially potentially coming up here, moving into the spring home buying season, which I actually think is going to be the catalyst for creating a stronger home buying season. So really great to see the benefits there of mortgage rates coming down. Second thing I want to talk about is just getting a pre-approval and the value of a pre-approval. So a pre-approval is when you meet with someone like myself, talk or sit down, go through your financials, run a credit, figure out exactly how much you qualify for, and there's a lot of benefits for doing this. So first one's going to be just really figuring out a maximum qualifying purchase price and loan amount that you qualify for, and then if you do or do not need a cosigner. Secondly, I'm really a believer that the pre-approval process is very front-end loaded. So what I mean is that even though we figure out a maximum amount that you qualify for, now we really need to dig in and kind of identify numbers associated with this. So let's just say you get qualified for a $400,000 purchase price. Now we should start looking at loan scenarios, down payment, interest rate, monthly payments for a $400,000 purchase, 375, 350, 300. Start to really look at a range of numbers to educate you on the monthly payments and cash to close requirements kind of in this range of options so that we can make sure we set you up for success. So then when you're looking at homes with your realtor, we're making sure you look at homes in the right price range. What I don't want to do is pre-approve it for 400K, as an example, have you go out there, look at homes, go under contract, and then figure out you can't afford the house. Now you're upset, deflated, probably mad at me. We could avoid all that. So value of pre-approval, that's just one of the items of value we'll talk about more next week. Have a great day.